Hey guys, I'm back here with another brand new video, the video that you have been waiting for. That is part 2, as I have uploaded the previous video in which I have said that I will upload a new video part 2. So here is the part 2 video, and if you don't have watched the previous video, so check out the previous video, link in the description. Otherwise you will not know the real purpose of watching this video, so go ahead and check out the previous video in the description. This video is for those who are still waiting for part 2 video. As you can see in the comments section, everyone says that where is part 2, blah blah blah. So they are still waiting and they are asking me to upload part 2 video. I felt very sorry for them that they did very good comments and appreciate my work. So this video is for those. And so as I said in the previous video that I will open this Dynamo. So now I'm not gonna do that. So I will just show you here everything here. I will give you the hints so you can easily make your own. So the everything, the alternation is in this rotor, nothing in this, everything is here. So I will show you what changes should you make to your own washing machine motor. So I'm going to tell you that what is the alternation. So as you can see, this is the Dynamo, this is the capacitor, and this is the bridge rectifier connected to this LED. It's 12 volt, it's power on 12 volt. So as you can see, it's powering. I have given it more means it has a more power, so there the LEDs are burned. The 3 to 4 LEDs are burned because of high speed of rotation this rotor. So guys, one thing I want to tell you that it took me very long time to make this Dynamo. So everyone said that upload part 2 video and show us what is the alternation. Here was my teacher 1.5 year ago, that he was my teacher, and when I upload this video part 1, so he watched that video in YouTube and he refused me to upload the part 2. He said that don't upload part 2 video and don't show to those guys. So that took me very long time to make this. And now I have told him that everyone comments like upload part 2 blah blah, and everyone that who has appreciate my work and did a good comments on my video. So that's why I have to say that to my teacher that I will have to upload part 2, just giving them a hints. So then he agreed. So this is the part 2. So my teacher said that you took very long time. How can you explain everything your whole time you spent on this by making this Dynamo? How can you explain this in 4 to 5 minutes and telling the other people on YouTube, everyone? So guys, by the way, this is the video that I was talking about in the previous video, and everyone comments in the comment section that you had promised that I will upload part 2. So as a promise, I have uploaded this video by showing you the hints, and so this is the video. So let's get started. Guys, this is the Dynamo. For example, you have the washing machine motor. Every motor will work fine if it has two starting coil and running coil. It should have starting coil and running coil. It is a single phase motor. You should have a single phase motor, and there is nothing inside the motor. Everything will remain same as it is. So this is the changing in this rotor. This is, for example, this is the rotor, and it is same as inside this one. So I am going to show you by marking them what is the changing. So I will mark on this, and you will know the whole process. So guys, this is the important part that you need to do with this rotor. I hope you will understand what the N and S mean. We will have to put magnets in this rotor. We will have to make a hole, a half or a quarter inch hole, and there are magnets easily available in the market that are steel magnets, and make holes with lathe machines or whatever I have. So there should make a hole inside this rotor and put a magnet. The south pole should facing you, both of these, and then the north, both of these. So make, as I have shown you, that it should be alternately, it should be different from the next one, should be different from the previous one. So for example, as south pole, north pole, south pole, north pole, means these all should be different from each other. So then it will, and then put it inside the stator of the motor and fit it as it was, and then move the rotor, and as you can see, it will work as it is working. So this was the method that I have made this dynamo with. So make holes in this rotor and put magnets inside this. So the south pole should facing you, the land should the south pole, it should not be different, both of them should be same, and here the north pole should facing you, here the south pole should facing you, so and so on. So this was the easy method, easy, nothing's in there, but I have took long time for this by finding this and looking for that. So this was the video part 2 I wanted to tell you. So this is the method, and you can make your own by following these steps, by following this video. This is part 2. As you can see, there is nothing inside except magnets, and it is working fine. This will gives you alternate current, so you can convert the alternate current to DC current by using this bridge rectifier. And about the wiring, there is nothing about the wiring should be remain same. So the single phase motor there will be a capacitor with that two wires, and just neglect the capacitors and direct use these two wires directly coming from the motor. Just neglect the capacitors and then check the voltage from these probes, the motor outcoming probes, and you will get the voltage from that. So guys, this is the part 2 video. Let's see the let's see the volt using voltmeter. Guys, as you can see, I have connected the multimeter with those wires that are coming from the dynamo. So let's move this selector to AC volt, and as I spin this motor, as you can see, 28 volt, 36, 30, 22, 29, 43, 41. So this is the alternate current by giving this, by rotating this one is more rotor. As you can see, it's giving up to 40 volts. So this is the method. Put magnets inside this, first make holes in this rotor with lathe machines or whatever there. So, and then put magnets inside this rotor as I told you. So this was the free dynamo. So as you can see, it's in front of you and everything I have showed you. So this was the part 2. Guys, go ahead, smash that like button and give this video over 1500 likes. That would be so amazing. And subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. See you in other video. Thanks for watching.